study game, I'm a no-taker. You ain't doing something right if you got no haters.
Bro, you wanna know one thing about Big Sad,
He never misses on a song.
This nigga cannot make a bad song.
He's cheating.
He cheating.
He's cheating.
Smoking black and miles, popping perks.
Smoking black and miles.
I did
What?
808 fall through this bitch. I got gold
On my body.
Niggas gon' get popped, nigga, they gon' try to rob me. This gangsta shit a hobby, I'm on Whitney. When you land, we get your low. We gon' meet you in your lobby. Show that every nigga around me, they about $1 sign. Get to sing it to your bitch, like I'm tied $. Niggas broke and wanna beef, cause they don't got a mind. You niggas not gon' put your hands on, they ain't one of mine. I want 100K a month, so I've been stepping up my grind. Bitch, you bad and you big, little baby know you fine. Let her try to make back and do her thing, cause she mine. Another watch in my collection, like I'm running out of time. I'm wearing Louis V, and you won't catch me in no vape. I sold rocks and stole cars, I was trying to.
He
niggas
said,
gon' get popped, thinking they gon' try to rob me.
he said you out of shape. Why would I take you on a date? Bro, what?
Your life fix my plate. You out of shape. Fuck, I look like trying to take you on a date. 3-story crib with the green grass and the gate. Bunch of broke niggas mad cause I made it out. I get like flipping in this bitch and get on my paper route.